Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up password in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up password as our screen lock, we have to first go to settings. Now we are looking for our lock screen options here, and at the top we have lock screen type, so we are looking for password. Password can use letters and numbers. Mum 888, let's say, and continue and repeat. Okay, it should be done. No remote lock, please. Let's see if it works. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.